This is actually future Donovan. I just want you guys to know it was a beautiful trip. I had a great time with my daughter and my wifey. But other than that, if you guys really like this video, please comment and subscribe, man. Come on, man, do it for the algorithm. Quit playing with them. Quit playing already, man. Hit that notification bell if you guys really want to stay up to date. This is the first trip of 2023. I'm gonna miss you, Snow. We named her Snow. Right? You see Snow. You see her tag? You see her tag? This is Snow. Ah! You like it? Alright, so we about to head out to Big Bear. Let's see how it goes. About to make a beautiful trip. That's just scary.
Why are you trying? Go!
Man, look at this view. Damn, we got our food, bro. Like, comment, subscribe. Quit playing. Damn, it's cold. Boom. Back at it with another one. It is currently 3:19 in the morning. It's Thursday now. I just finished topping off my tank, so it's ready to go. All right, so we're gonna be leaving around 12 in the afternoon. And I just wanted to make sure I had all the gas I needed to make sure I'm not wasting time in the morning, just to make sure we just get there right on time to Big Bear Lake. I believe we're gonna be staying at the Big Bear Frontier, so we'll take you guys along for the ride. This is the first trip of 2023. All right, so just finished packing. I'm gonna take all this right here, including that. Right now it is almost 7 in the morning. I'm gonna be up by 10. Let's get it. I got a training to attend, and I'm not wasting time. Let's go. Snowy Pooh. Snowy Pooh, I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you. We're not gonna take long, okay? Just gonna go see the snow. We're gonna go see the snow without snow. Let's go. We're gonna go to the snow. I'm gonna miss you, Snow. We named her Snow. Right? You see Snow. You see her tag? You see her tag? This is Snow. Ah. Thank you, man. Check it out. It's official. Damn, boy, we're ready to go. Say hi, Mama. Are ya? Say hi. All right, man. All right, let's go. You like it? It's a nice spacious truck. Better than the X5 ever was. Man, let's go. Let's go to Big Bear. Let's get it, guys. Say hi, baby.
Hi.
We got the frame good. All right, so we about to head out to Big Bear. Let's see how it goes. About to make a beautiful trip. What?
Hello?
All right, so we're actually moving. We're in San Bernardino County, going to Barstow. This is my navigation system because the truck didn't come with navigation, so name all of next up, I'll probably get one of those rims, the 4x4, because mine is just two-wheel drive. If you know, you know. We're almost at 70,000 miles. Look at this view, man. Damn. Bro, that's crazy. I just cut off a Freightlink Bentley Bentayga. That's so disrespectful. How could I? My bad, bro. Man, that thing is sick. I'm so sorry I cut you off. That thing is clean, though. Pulled up real quick. We're in the city of Fontana. I'm gonna use the restroom and get the rest of our snacks.
Really, in Fontana?
Yeah, look at how beautiful you are.
I took long because I put her other snacks in the frozen.
Okay, I got a nacho cheese, the essentials. What other chips should we get? Man, you know we have to get some essentials real quick. Have to get that things real quick. Just healthy stuff, you know what I'm saying? The essentials. The essentials, bro. Let's get it. Okay, that's a 6 scatty. Yeah, that's a nice color. And we got all the essentials up in this thing. It's just a mess out here. We barely got enough room for everything. All right, so we're just about to get into San Bernardino County. We're about to go up the hill. Man, I'm gonna post this as soon as I can. Once we get to the room, I'm gonna start editing all this footage, bro. Let's get it. Man, this view is beautiful. Let's take a good look. It's beautiful out here. We just hit Big Bear Road. About to be on here for about 50 minutes. So we're taking it uphill. So far, so good. Looking nice up here, bro. That shit's scary.
Why are you trying?
Yeah, that's just the first time I'm driving this shit. So.
We go here. We're going up the hill right now. Comment down below. Comment down below if it gives you anxiety when you're going up here.
This is cool. It's just I'm not used to this shit.
Yeah, it looks nice, but thanks.
Can't show it. It's too late. You can see like the clouds and stuff. You can probably see it. Damn, there's a lot of snow in the car. Oh, we're gonna start getting snow already.
Oh wow! Look, snow.
I miss my dog.
You miss your what?
My dog Snow.
Me? You're gonna snow?
It's already 39 degrees Fahrenheit.
Ay, disculpe, se van a caer.
We're really out here though. No cat in the trap. I had to pull over really quick just to get a little quick view. Man, does it look beautiful out here. Got the whippy out here with the fam. Damn. Under? You don't like the snow, mama? No? She's like, it's hella cold. Vámonos. That's freaking sick. Man, just look at this beautiful view. Man, we're finally here. We finally see a street light. We're finally up in the snow. It is currently 28 degrees Fahrenheit. My butt's freezing. I'm a little hungry. It's icy out here. Ice, baby. Let's see what we get to eat. Little cabin I'm trying to fit my truck through all this damn snow. Weird. Never done this before. Man, that's a tight squeeze. Right there? Okay. So we're here. That's the lake right there, right next to the lake where we're at. Made it up with no issues whatsoever. Let's go. Alright, so we're actually finally in the room. I had to get the equipment out because we're gonna start editing after we get some food. But check out the room. What do you guys think? We got the heater and everything. We got the recessed lighting. Pretty dope. My loves, my queens. Pretty spacious. Quick look. Let's go get some food, baby. Vámonos. Like, comment, subscribe. We got the little kit out here. But man, look at this restroom. It's pretty dope, huh? I think it's pretty clean. It sucks that they didn't have a, what is it called? What is it called? A steamer for the shirts. But anyways, let's just go get some food. Something slight. This is the spot we're staying at. A little review. See how it goes. Damn, we got food, bro. She just stopped crying finally. Damn, bro, this looks good. Something slight. have to let this thing warm up. Look at that. Thing is caked up, bro. Sheesh. That's crazy. Oof. It'll be like comment, and subscribe, guys. We out here. I gotta go home. I mean, I'm gonna go to back to the room because it's freaking snowing out here. Let's get it. Like, comment, subscribe. Quit playing. Damn, it's cold. Man, I cannot see a thing out of my windows. I'm trying to let it defrost. Mama, relax. She's trying to go outside. She likes the snow. Mom did it. It's funny. It's all caked up. I bet it's full of snow. Whew. Man, careful. I almost slipped. Look at this beautiful view though. Damn. Check out the Big Red Frontier right next to the lake. No? You're not down? Okay. Alright, we're out here with the sleds. Let me give it a try here. Hold it.
It's starting to get cold. Hold up, mamas. You want me to stop?
Man, it's cold. I'm freezing. That just got everywhere inside my socks and stuff. Anyways. You want to go try to walk on the lake or not?
Oh.
We can even try this family sled so we can go on it together. That one. Oh.
Your turn?
Check that out though. Right next to the Big Red Frontier. Almost finished building. Come on, mama. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Al suelo, al suelo. Al suelo, al suelo. Alright, so this is take 2. Let's see how it goes. Have a good day? Good trip? Yeah? That's so. Damn. Let's go to the lake. Let's see if we can walk on it. If we fall, we fall. Like, comment, subscribe. If you're trying to drink your pool mix pretty cold, just put it in the snow, bro. It's a little life hack. Doesn't work. A ver, mama. I'm dead. ¿Te gusta, mamá? She's like, hell no. Alright, let's see how this goes. I'm pretty excited. I got a new idea. Alright, so it's time to go. My daughter's getting a little cold. We'll be back next time. Like, comment, subscribe for the next one. Peace, guys. Time to go. That's crazy. That's pretty funny. Time to go home. Alright. Let's hope everything goes good. Jeez. Alright, Alright, so we came to get some Subway just before we leave. But man, I've never seen a parking lot this packed with just pure snow. I just think that's crazy. That's pretty cool. Look at that. Snow everywhere. Damn, try coming on the weekdays so you guys don't have to deal with traffic. Everybody's coming right now. It's obviously a Friday. We come on the weekdays, bro. We'll be back soon, for sure. For sure, man. It's so beautiful out here. Man, look at this view. I had to pull up to get some thumbnails, you know, some nice pictures of my truck. Cause man, this view is beautiful. It's freezing though. Damn it. Look at that view though. Man, look at this view. I had to pull over real quick. We out here, bro. Heading home. We're back. That's the aftermath. That thing's dirty as heck. Damn. That thing's dirty. Okay. This thing is caked up. Oh, hell. I'm gonna wash it.